इसमें हम देखेंगे सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट। सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट में हम देखेंगे एट लाहौर सेशन 1929 एडी। एट लाहौर सेशन 1929 एडी कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी was empowered to start civil disobedience movement. In February 1913, Congress Working Committee held its second meeting at Sabarmati Ashram, and Mahatma Gandhi was given leadership of his movement. On 12th March 1930, 12th March 1930 AD, Gandhiji started his famous Dandi March. He with his chosen companions departed from Sabarmati to Dandi for the Satyagraha on 12th March. After 24 days of a long journey on 6 April 1930 AD at Dandi, Gandhi broke salt law by picking up a lump of salt at Dandi. And with his symbolic act, Gandhiji officially started the civil disobedience movement. Subhash Chandra Bose compared this march with the march of Napoleon from Elba to Paris. An English newspaper editor, Brasford, mockingly said, can an emperor be defeated by boiling water in a kettle?" On this movement, Statesman newspaper replied, Mahatma Gandhi can boil the sea water till they got the dominion status. Civil disobedience movement is spread to the whole country in Gandhiji leadership. In Tamil Nadu, Gandhian leader C. Rajgopalachari started the Salt March from Tiruchirappalli to Vedanayam on the Vedanayam beach of Nagapattinam district to break the salt law. On 5th April 1930 AD, Gandhiji reached Dandi village and addressed the foreign reporters as well as Indian reporters and said, I want world sympathy in this battle of right against might. On 5th May 1930 AD, Gandhiji was arrested before a planned raid of Congress worker at Dharasana Salt Godown and was sent to Yerwada jail. Abbas Tayyabji became a leader of the movement. अब्बास तैयब जी कहाँ हैं? Dharasana Salt Godown and was sent to Yerwada jail. Abbas Tayyabji became a leader of the movement after Gandhiji arrest and Sarojini Naidu became the leader of movement after Abbas Tayyabji's arrest. Sarojini Naidu led the raid at Dharasana Salt Godown. This incident was elaborated by American reporter Webb Miller. In the northwest frontier region, NWF or Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan founded an organization called Khudai Khidmatgar. They were also known as Red Shirt. This organization emphasized on the national unity, also organized movement against British colonial policies and demanded improvement in the condition of laborers. Muslim of NWFR played an important role in civil disobedience movement under the leadership of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. During this movement, Garhwal regiment under the leadership of Chandra Singh Garhwali in Peshawar refused to fire at unarmed gathering. Tribals of Manipur played an active role in civil disobedience movement under the leadership of Gaudinillu, a Naga tribal woman. The movement led by her is called as Jia Tarang movement. After the civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji focused on creative programs. In October After the civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji focused on creative programs. In October 1934 AD, Gandhiji decided to retire from active policies to devote all his time in the upliftment of Harijans. In September 1932 AD, Gandhiji founded an All India Untouchability League. Gandhiji founded Gandhiji founded an All India Anti-Untouchability League, and in 1933 AD he and in 1933 AD he started a weekly newspaper named Harijan for the betterment of Harijans. उसके क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, दो क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. एट विच कांग्रेस सेशन वॉज द वर्किंग कमेटी अथोराइज्ड टू लॉन्च ए प्रोग्राम ऑफ सिविल डिसोबीडियंस. इसका सही उत्तर है लाहौर. इसका हम एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. एट द लाहौर सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन 1929 AD अथोराइज्ड द कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी टू स्टार्ट द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. Mahatma Gandhi was assigned to lead the movement in the second meeting of Congress Working Committee held in February 1930 AD at Sabarmati Ashram. तो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. Which one of the following began with the Dandi March? इसका सही उत्तर है सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. इसका हम एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड हिज फेमस डांडी मार्च accompanied by his trusted volunteers from Mahatma Sabarmati Ashram on March 12, 1930 AD. The march was over 241 miles from Gandhiji Ashram in Sabarmati to Gujarat coastal village of Dandi. The volunteers walked for 24 days on April 5, 1930 AD. He reached Dandi and on 6 April he violated the salt law, manufacturing salt by boiling seawater. This marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. This movement spread all over India under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. A leader like Siraj Gopalachari took the salt march in Tamil Nadu from तिरुचिरापल्ली टू वेदारण्यम. और इसके क्वेश्चन को हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. अब इसमें केवल हम इसके जो मेन मैटर्स हैं उसको देख लेंगे.